Привет! Welcome, dear Russian learners. I know when you just start learning a new language, you can feel a lot of confusion. Why? Because there is so much to do and you don't know what you can start with. Well, in today's lesson, we are going to learn 10 the most common Russian phrases. Are you ready? Поехали! Are you about to start a meal with your Russian-speaking friend? Well, it means that it's the best time to say «Приятного аппетита». Приятного аппетита. Приятного means nice, pleasant. Аппетит is appetite. When I say приятного аппетита, I mean I wish you to have a good, nice, pleasant appetite. Приятного аппетита. When someone says this to you, you can say спасибо, тебе тоже. Спасибо, thank you. Тебе тоже, same to you. Будь здоров. Будь здоров. Будь means be. Здоров, healthy. Будь здоров. Be healthy. Don't be sick. Мне пора. Я думаю, мне пора. It's just the beginning of the video, so maybe it's not the best time to say мне пора, because мне пора means I have to go. Мне пора. You also can add the word идти. Мне пора идти. You can do this, but it's not necessary. Мне пора. I have to go. I think the next phrase is going to be very useful for those who run some sort of business in Russia or another Russian-speaking country. This phrase is договорились. Договорились. Договорились means it's a deal. Well, I must say that, of course, we use this phrase not only in a business sphere, but in our everyday conversation. For example, алло, давай встретимся в 5. Договорились. Let's imagine that you just arrived to a Russian-speaking country. Of course, you will meet a lot of new people. To make a nice impression, you can say приятно познакомиться. Приятно познакомиться. It means nice to meet you. Приятно is nice. Yeah, do you remember приятного аппетита? It's the same word. Познакомиться, it's a verb that means to meet. Приятно познакомиться. Nice to meet you. I know that some people will tell me, no, the teacher, this phrase is too difficult for a beginner. Indeed. So let's make it a little bit easier. You also can say очень приятно. Очень приятно. Очень is very приятно, pleased or nice. Очень приятно. I'm very pleased. And in return, you can say мне тоже. Мне тоже. Are you a beginner? The next two phrases are going to be used by you a lot. The first one is я не понимаю. Я, I, не понимаю. Most of the time, to make a negative sentence in Russian, we use the word не. Я понимаю is I understand. Я не понимаю, I don't understand. Also, we can say я не знаю. Я не знаю. You can notice that this sentence also has не, which means that it's a negative sentence. Я is I, не, don't, знаю, no, I don't know. Я не знаю. If you decide to have a tour around a Russian-speaking country, you can notice big signs when you enter the city, and the signs say «Добро пожаловать». Добро пожаловать. Добро пожаловать means welcome. Добро пожаловать. Добро пожаловать на мой канал. Не забудь подписаться. Many Russian learners know the phrase «Как дела?» Как дела? But do you know that you can say something more than that? You can say «Что нового?» Что нового? Что is a question word. What? Что? Нового means new. Что нового? What's new? What's up? What's going on? And when the person wants to say that nothing much, same old, he can say все по-старому. Все по-старому. Все is everything. По-старому old or old style. Все по-старому. Same old. The last word in our list of the most useful phrases is большое спасибо. Большое спасибо. Большое means big. Спасибо is thank you. Большое спасибо. Big thank you. Thank you very much. Большое спасибо за то, что вы посмотрели это видео. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to leave a comment below, give me a like, and of course subscribe. I also have Instagram and TikTok, so if you prefer short lessons, you can follow me there.